The This is known as Vatuk Ras. You know that Kashmiri Pandits on Mahashivratri, the crown festival of Kashmiri Pandits, they celebrate this Mahashivratri on that Mahashivratri on as Herath, and it was celebrated on 13th February 2018 by us one day before the Mahashivratri celebrated in the Indian subcontinent. Just have a closer look, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sanapatal. This is the linga. This is the the Parthirashar, which is a central piece of the worship on the Mahashivratri. You know that linga is considered to be endless. It is the fire column which has no end, no start and no end. And this has been manifested, and this has been created on the Mahashivratri by the Mahadev Lord Shiva himself. That is the legend how it goes. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the Mahadev himself, this is the Parvati, this is the Ganpatji, and this is the Vatuk Barrow. This is the head of the barrows. Because you know that Kashmiri Pandits, you just have a closer look. They also that worship Vatuk barrows also on this day. And these are the Saptarishis, the seven sages. Seven sages, ladies and gentlemen. You just see that the offerings, these are the walnuts are inside all these these Shiv, Parvati, and Vatuk Bhairav, and also the Ganpatji and the Sanevaris known as this sages. And everywhere there are walnuts, they are immersed in water, the elixir of life, for 3-4 days, after which these are taken out in very complete devotion, and then these walnuts are distributed as prasad. So this is exactly, ladies and gentlemen, that I want to show you, that this Vatak Ras, this layout and this setting of the Mahashivratri has been going on with Kashmiri Pandits for the last 5,000 years, more than 5,500 years, since times immemorial. And ladies and gentlemen, you just have a closer look on this. Due to the space constraint after our exile in 1990 from this Kashmir, there has been a slight change, modification, slight, maybe that due to the space it is not having the exact layout, but this is by and large the Vatuk Ras of Kashmiri Pandits. So ladies and gentlemen, what I want to tell you, that you have just heard that very beautiful song that was Bahubali theme song. Bahubali picture film which became very famous. That was the theme song of that, and forget about Bahubali for that matter, which was a very hit in India. Can you believe it? That simply believe it, that whole of India, all over the world, Hindus just singing and dancing to the tune of the enemy song. Yeah, I'm telling you, it is enemy song. You just see that enemy number one for all Hindus is Ravan was killed by Lord Rama in the battle in Lanka thousands of years back. And this is the song, this is the rendition, this Shiv Tandav Stotram, due to which he impressed Ravan, impressed Ravana. And then Ravan impressed Lord Shiva. And then Ravana impressed Lord Shiva by Shiv Tandav Stotram. Just see the tolerance of Hindus, tolerance of India. We are singing even and rejoicing and being happy with the song with the rendition which is so beautiful, Shiv Tandav Stotram, and that has been very beautifully sung by Kailash Kher. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is 2018, February 14th, 2018. It is the day of Mahashivratri. God bless you. Have a nice time and stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you very much. God bless you. जय महादेव की जय, जय महादेव, जय शंभू, जय भोले शंकर की जय.